Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how and where you can easily find your PayPal balance. So let's head over to the PayPal app, and from here, just log in to your account. And once you're done logging in, you will be redirected to the main page of PayPal. And from here, you can easily see your balance. And if we go to the wallet page, you can also see your balance and even rewards and even your activities on PayPal. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily find your PayPal balance. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!